Alright, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. I'm out here posted up this morning, working on a 2012 Volkswagen PASSAT SE. I'll be doing control arms, lower control arms in the front, passenger side, CV axle, and outer control, or outer tie rods, I'm sorry.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Rise and grind, good people, rise and grind. But back to the main event, and if you don't know, let me break down the rules. We're gonna have one lucky winner win this free car service. For your chance to win, this is what you need to do. 3 easy steps. First and foremost, subscribe to the channel, like the video, watch out for that keyword, and comment in the section below. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do these control arms. Let's see what we got. 3 bolts at the bottom, and gotta get over here. Got a bolt there. That bolt right there we gotta take out. Alright, took those bolts out. Should be able to knock it down and it come out. On the next bolt, those was 17 millimeter bolts, so there's 3 of them. Just those there, 17. Go ahead, hit this other one, see what size that is. Alright, and that bolt is an 18 millimeter. It's got a nut on the top side. Hold that one while you're turning. Get this one loose. It should come out. At this point, see how far I got that bolt out, and as you can see, you cannot get that bolt out because the oil pan or the transmission pan is in the way. So in order to get this undone, we got to drop the subframe. Skid plate got to be removed, so we got a few T20 bolts, and then we got 3 T45 bolts on the skid plate. Alright, that's that bolt, 18 mil. Got that one loose. Look like we're gonna have to do this one. Look like we got this one next. I think that'll be it. 2 bolts, maybe. I definitely got another one here. Where is it? Leave this bolt right here. Got that one out. Got that one out. And let's see what we got. I noticed I'm gonna need to go ahead and remove this outer tie rod out of its position and let it hang so this arm can come down with the subframe, because it's got a nice gap after removing those bolts on the side, but still can't get past this here. So I just hit that with a I use my sledgehammer. Hit this end right here, tap that, make it vibrate, that thing pop right out. Boom. Now I can move a little bit more. Do a little prying, get that low. See how that's moving? Passenger side. You can see how instead of just loosening the bolts up, man, I just took them out. Realize it ain't gonna fall because everything is attached still on this side, so and give me a little bit more clearance too on the other side. See how it goes down? I can get that bolt out of there. Down. That's that bolt right there. How long that thing is. Go ahead, pull that out. Alright, I had to take out that 24 mil axle bolt. CV axle bolt. 12 point. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and take out that ball joint. T40, 18 mil socket. Hold that, get it out. That's both of them, man. Go ahead and swap it out. There it is. Got it in there. Tighten that bad boy up quick. Go ahead and get this side in. Of course, they switch up the aftermarket size. We got a 19 millimeter bolt, and we got a T30 in that right there holding it, and we just tighten it up. Alright, we got that bolt in. It's tight. Go ahead and put the CV axle back in. Driver side control on. Go ahead and replace this outer tie rod while I got it off. Take that out. Put it back in the hole. You ain't gotta put the bolt in it, but just so it won't move, it won't turn when you hit it down. You gotta hit it, and it's gonna turn downward. Bolt on, tighten it up, and this side good to go. We ain't gonna put the subframe bolts on until we finish the other side. Alright, we back over here on the passenger side. Bolt right there. It's not nowhere near as close to anything. That pan is not in the way, so I'll be good on this side. It'll be a lot easier. And while I'm at it, we're gonna be doing the CV axle. 24 mil. And get that bolt out right there. That out. It's a lot easier, Got that bolt. That out. Go ahead and get down. Drop out. Boom. Way easier on this side. Same thing on the other side. Take out that CV axle and get that out. That ball joint. And while we at it, we're gonna be taking out the whole CV axle. Now I'm gonna use this tool to knock it out, and it's just gonna fall out. That's it. Reverse order. Alright, we got that end, and that. About to put that in after we get this CV axle on. Alright, we at the end of the CV axle. This is the transmission. We gotta knock this end out. Get a pry bar, hammer, tap it, should come out. Catch any fluid, transmission fluid with a catch pan. You can see I got a little gap in between there. Just knocked it loose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. That's why you want to keep that undone, so you can pull this in, pull this out, and then you can make room for the CV axle to come through. Yep, time to go in, time to go in, time to go in. Alright, no gap. Make sure you sit that thing in position and it snaps in. Got a little lock ring on the end of that, man. It gotta snap in. If it don't, it can fall out, cause transmission to leak, transmission fluid to leak. And you won't go in gear. You won't be able to accelerate or feel like the transmission is gone. Alright, this end, gotta put some bearing grease on that end right here, so you don't it don't seize in there, because that metal on metal, it can make it seize, rust out. It'll be hard to get out when it's time to replace it again. Alright, make sure you just spread that around that, all the threads, get that cap up out of there. Alright, so we got that bolt, got the ball joint going in. We're going to put that in first and tighten it down before we put the CV axle in. Alright, got that in. All you got to do is just push back on this. Push back and get it past that and get it back in that hole. I can't do it with one hand. But we got it in there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this subframe back together. Put that axle nut back in there. Let me go ahead and knock out this outer tie rod. I almost forgot about. Quick. Alright, that's gonna be it for this one, man. All that work, I knocked it out in 3.5 hours. This bolt right here on the driver's side wasn't bad. I'm not sure if it touched, but you might be able to get it out without that subframe being lowered, but it's easier with it dropped.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.